So on here, I'm working on a 2012 International Pro Star. Um, I'm trying to replace the EGR valve, which is right there. And in order to get to it, you gotta take off the doghouse, which is this here. Really, it's not that hard to take off. There's bolts along the sides here that you take off, and there's two on each side here. Holds it from the front. Take those off and it comes right off. But you gotta move the seat though. You gotta unbolt the seat, move it back. That way you got room to pull the doghouse out. But yeah, it's really not that hard. You don't have to go crazy taking the top off there. It's not necessary. But you do gotta take off that well, no you don't. No you don't. But that's about it there. That's how to access the back of the engine on a 2012 International Pro Star.